you in the forex financial market. Let's dive in now. In today's video, I'm going to show you the main two difference between a normal trading setup and a high quality trading setup. Let's dive in now. As you can see, this is a special signal I've been taking. You can see this is what you call a high quality setup. Before I dive in, let me give you the two explanation of what we mean by a normal trading setup and a high quality trading setup. A normal trading setup is a kind of trading setup that you can find everywhere with a normal risk reward by an average trader. But a high quality trading setup is a special trading setup that have at least three of these qualities, or that have all the three qualities. Number one, we have what we call RR, risk to reward. What is risk to reward? Risk to reward ratio is simply telling you that is that trading setup has a reasonable risk to reward ratio for you to take that trade. That is something you should ask yourself, and that is something you should have in mind when trading a high quality trading setup. You can go for a risk to reward of 1:2 is still fine, 1:3, 1:5, even 1:10 is a very good higher risk to reward ratio for any boom and crash higher quality trading setup. And number two, you should be able to understand that is the signals going with the trend, is the quality trading setup is in the same direction with the current market trend. Example, if the market is in an uptrend, you should be looking for a buy opportunities for a higher quality trading setup. But when the market is in a downtrend, you can be able to find a high quality trading setup using a sell signal. That is what you should understand. Whenever you are trading a high quality trading setup, a high quality trading setup should be able to give you the full direction of the market trend for you to trade it. And the third on my list, which is another quality for a good high quality trading setup, is having a clear edge. What I mean by clear edge is simply whenever you are trading a high quality trading setup, make sure you have an edge over the market. For instance, when the market is playing its market movement, try to identify some form of market structure, chart patterns, or candlestick analysis to back up your trading decisions. Which are the clear edge you have about that particular trading setup? If you want to get this kind of result 2024, if you want to get this kind of risk to reward ratio trade that we always get here this 2024, don't forget to get this new updated version of this trading setup that I just explained now. Adopt it in your own trading system. Make sure you are following all the rules, and make sure you are not making money anyhow, so that you can be able to overtrade and lose the money along the way. This is the kind of setup I will advise you to trade. This is the kind of setup I personally trade. This is the kind of trading setup I will advise any trader outside there to trade. This is the kind of trading setup that only those 5% traders are trading, and that's why they are making it in this particular market. You don't need to have a two money win strategy. You just need to have an average of consistent risk to reward, consistent of trend following signals, buy or sell, consistent of having a clear edge on your market, and that is a high quality trading setup strategy I have explained for you here. If you want to get 20x, 10x, even 100x trading the boom and crash this 2024, make sure you are trading only the high quality trading setup. This is Boom and Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the forex market. You can see we have been holding this trade since on this 1st or 2nd of December, which is the same VIP signal setup we have give. And that's why I told you we have two VIP signals. We have the free signals and we have the VIP signals. We send free signals daily in the free channel, and we also give regular VIP signals to our regular VIP signal members. Why? Because they take their time to pay, they invest their time and money, and that's why we're investing our time and money and make sure we give them what we call a higher quality trading setup. And nice to have you now. See you in my next video, where I'm going to talk about special boom and crash Xmas spike strategy I dedicated for all Christians, and happy Xmas in advance. I'm going to release this strategy sooner to later today. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. This is Boom and Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial market. Nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.